Hello guys, this is the KDF channel video. Today I bring you another useful Toyota video, and this is a 2003 4Runner 4x4 with the 6-cylinder engine. And this is it looks like it's a very common issue on these 4Runners, that you have play or the gear shifter on the transmission is loose. If you look at this, and then when you go between gears, it's very soft too. And I have the replacement here. You can see the difference. Look how tight it is. So you might be wondering why this piece is so loose like this. So basically, this plastic cover, the same one we have right here, goes on top of this. And then there's something, that pin moves around these passages, right? So this pin makes I would say pressure against the plastic piece, and then that's why you feel the shifter tight. So first of all, this spring goes in here, right, to create the pressure, and then you have the pin right there. What happened on my shifter is, you can see the plastic piece broke, and I couldn't find any way to fix it because I was avoiding buying the replacement. But I found a junkyard with this replacement for only $25. I don't know if you guys can be lucky as me to find this piece. I've seen it on eBay between $60 to $80, but this is the only way to fix this problem, because I didn't see any replacement only for this part. And on the Toyota website, this part itself is $600. So I won't get in a lot of detail to show you how I got here, because I'm pretty sure there's a lot of videos on YouTube how to remove the center console on this 4Runner. So I'll go straight to the point, and we have to remove these 12 millimeter bolts right there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, first of all, you have to remove this plastic piece that is held by plastic clip right there. So you remove this out of the way, and then you have this piece right here. So once you remove those bolts, then what we're gonna do is to remove this tab right here. Try to find a flathead screwdriver, and then you pry on each side, and this tab will come out, because this is the one that's gonna apply pressure into this wire that goes directly into the transmission. That's the one that shifts the gears to the transmissions. So let me move this one, let me move the bolts, and let's see what else we have to remove here. So all the bolts are out, 4 bolts, and I also remove this metal piece I told you that was holding the wire. So you can see inside here, let me point it with this. There's a plastic piece. You'll see it right now when I take it out. You have to pull it out. Look at this. Look at my hand. You see? It's out. Well, I can remove this and show you more on detail. And this one goes inside there, and you just pull it out like that. So this is almost ready to go outside, and the only thing we need to remove is, I like to have this tool all the time, because this is the best thing. You have to remove clips like this holding on the plastic, and you have these connectors right here. So let's see where they go, and we're almost done. There's only one connector here, and it's this one. So you got the tab inside, and this should be out. Well, I'm still missing this one right here. So let me remove it real quick. Okay, this one is out, and the piece, it's out, as you can see. Well, you got this one right here. It's the bulb for this one right here. So I have to, well, I don't need it. The piece already have that part. So I'll put everything back together and show you the result on how it works and how it looks. So I already tied all the bolts, so this is secure. Now it's time to put the cable back in. So you go like this, there you go, and then you secure that piece with this pin right here, like this. So the metal pin or the metal plate is back in. I also have the wire inside in the position, in this position right here, so it's there already. You have that plug over there, that's right here. Let me connect right now. There you go. You have another plug, this one right here goes with this one, and then basically it's a pretty easy job to remove it and put the new one back in. This one goes here. So basically what you have to do is reassemble all the clips, but now this is a simple fix. You can see now it's working beautiful. It's tight. Let me press here so I can go more. There you go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. I hope this fixes your problem, and thank you for subscribing to my channel. Also, I will keep posting videos like this. This one, it's awesome because I didn't find anybody having this solution for this particular car, so that's why I decided to do this video as fast as possible to show you how to fix it. Thank you for watching, guys, and I see you on the next one.